So we just pick up the next street 35. They have some funny road. They have this camera clear stuff there with us. Waiting to see the overall condition of the car. We ain't get to see too much of it yet, cause you know, see there stuff. Oh. And a pussy asks for your money. Yeah. Trying to get the car off right now. I ain't even vlog. Nigga was trying to. Got Cardo here. Quick team on me. I said Cardo. Moment of truth. Bro, don't hold that. Crazy, bro.
Really hold it, bro. Sure.
I lose a finger with that.
I just want to drop the bed a little bit.
You should. Shit, way off now, though.
Let's get to there.
See what he doing. What he doing? It's turning.
He didn't drop it. The what? Bed? Huh? Drop the bed? Yeah, it's drop the bed. Estás trabajando. No.
Hold on.
Okay. Yeah, he knows what he's doing, man.
Come on, see him on not going with this thing, no. Alright, drop it down now, brother. Drop it down now. Watch the tree. Nah, he good. No, he good. Perfect, bro.
Oh.
See it then, no. Drop it down.
Hey.
He should have dropped
Okay, papi. Shit. I don't know.
Put it down now. There you go. Come on, bring that shit down. Yeah. Get the angle in now. Let's see, I'll try to drop the car from about 10 inches in the air, man. I would do that every day, man. Oh, here we go.
Hey.
Ooh. To be honest, it ain't that bad, Lush.
I just wanted to drop the bed. Yeah, that's cool.
No, I'm talking about like this way. How it is, bro?
It's just cool.
Hey.
No, this is yours.
Oh, that's yours? I thought
This is yours. This is mine. Thank you, man.
I thought this was yours. His.
Okay. Now, everybody push a little bit back on the car. Everybody over here.
We push?
Push.
Push.
My chain.
Oh, your chain go. Come on.
Little bit. Okay, everybody, little bit.
Go on, go on, push.
Open the
Come
door
on.
real quick.
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
We go.
One. It's not open?
Alright, bet.
Ready?
Yeah, 1. So I've been driving over there. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you hang, stop. I'm putting my phone over here.
Okay, what can we do? Can't unloosen this? Can you loosen it? No, you ain't gonna.
Oh, can't you turn the
That's what I'm saying. Turn it.
toe hook?
Oh, get a toe hook.
Yeah, get the toe hook.
Get it. And then turn it that way?
No, just.
Get the other toe hook and turn this one.
Can't you just loosen it? No. You can't just loosen the toe hook?
You have a thing. You have a Nigga, you might as well just
Break your bar. Open the bumper. Open bumper.
That's it. Yeah. Okay, pop. Good. They're gonna fit you there. Probably ready to move.
Open the bumper.
Before that side. Should pull everything out.
Man, I wanna deal with the cash. Alright? Come on, DJ. You need chain?
Nah, you're good, man.
Thank you.
You selling me the light?
300.
Alright, pussy. I'm talented.
Mm-hmm.
Shit.
On the glass, bro.
That's why the sunroof probably like that. No, it's good. It's good. Now we're good. Now we should be alright.
He put headers on it?
Everything on this shit, bro.
You say you put headers? Yeah.
Let's see.
It look like it get hit more hard on this side.
Yeah, this is the main side right here. Accident happened right here, bro. On the front right there. This gonna be fun. I want all of them in.
They just threw everything in there. It looked like it, don't it?
Oh, if it broke. No, it ain't broken.
See, pussy, they gone now.
Someone try to get some shit. Not look as bad as it looked.
Hopefully nothing got down in that shit.
Shot in there? Should be good.
Open teeth none of the parts.
Just kind of straight up to me. I'll just hope. The engine pushed back. It looks straight, right?
You won't know till you lift it up.
Let me look right here for me. Man, like, we're good. It's just the
You got your flash on?
like it's not straight.
Is this what you think you said? I think if anything, for something problem.
You said what? That's the intake. You gotta probably lift up this way.
You know, this is where the coolant coming from. You said what? So the reason I bought this, seen this, nigga, his M4 crashed just like it. He just pulled this shit right back out.
What about this?
Everything else is good. It's good. It goes into the frame right here. This is not part of the frame. All this comes apart. I got that shit already.
See, top shot the air on Carter.
So, all gone. Intercooler. That's good.
Yeah.
Let's hope that's a pushback, dog. I think we're Gucci. Only thing is, I was hoping that the radiators would be good. But nah, they fuck.
What that nigga hit?
Did you see this shit crack? I saw something weird.
Yeah. Definitely.
This one, that one's good.
You see the inside. See how. Oh yeah, this is the guy on Instagram that was on here. Ant-Man. Thing crush up. Oh. Yeah. Bags popped off. Should be some work. Now you see the back seat. See everything there. Carbon fiber trunk. You see it. What module?
This one's good. One's like control the light.
When you buy a new light, they don't come with it?
Hell no, they come right along.
You gotta get the carbon. I hope you bought the carbon roof.
The what?
Carbon roof. I mean, bonnet.
No. Nah, you gonna like the one I bought though.
Match the controller.
Nah, nigga, just. Alright, so I gotta buy.
Where the horns at? You gotta buy horns and all that too.
Oh, horn's good.
You usually gotta take off that radiators to see how everything is. Look, beyond that radiator, you can't really see nothing.
I think we're Gucci, bro.
You need to find something to cover this ASAP.
I bought
You need to go put that shit on right now. Yeah, that shit lowered. Got carbon fiber on this too. Yes, sir. Check out the low. Oh. Yes, sir.
All I gotta do is get this back and we're good. Bend that back. Fuck.
That shit still got fluid?
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, this ain't damaged. I saw shit, right?
Huh?
What?
So it's shit, yeah. It's about some latches too. Actually, no, this one held up. Didn't even let it go. Make it ripped out of the hood. Ripped it out of the damn hood. Both of them are good. Actually, no, they're not full.
But the hinges on this thing get pushed back though. It don't look like it. Well, you don't know till you close it.
Small. Put take all this shit off. Put the new hood on. I kiss your teeth, bro. You're ready for work with me. Don't
Yeah.
fuck that up more than it is.
You need to worry about this before the wedding.
Yeah.
Simple pull that. Just gotta get all this other shit off.
What you gonna pull it with? Like robot?
You know, hook out to the tree, nigga.
You got your car
Honestly?
starting first.
Honestly, I might really do what he just did, nigga.
Hook
Put
it
the
to
hook
tree.
on the car and just back up.
Oh, you get another car and just pull
Yeah,
it.
back up and pull it out.
Well, what car you gonna use to do that?
You can use anything. It's
Just for that little
A
piece.
truck, bro.
Just for this little piece, dog.
use anything.
Yeah.
A truck with 4x4, pull that shit out quick.
Can't use the Acura, nigga.
You gonna use the Acura, bro? You saying what?
What? 335.
Machine! Carter, machine! This them call machine, brother. What is that? What is? The machine, G.
Nah. Ain't no 3 series.
It's
no
not?
Regular, not no regular 3 series.
F30?
Not no regular F30.
Mm-hmm.
All I can do is press that. The engine don't shift too much. But if the engine shift is alright, we dealt with that. Alpha engine that shifts it.
For real?
Shift it a little bit. Since it came
Some
and I
nigga
seen it
rubbing
was
his
leaning. And I was like, alright, something ain't right. But this one don't look like Alpha. This one look better than Alpha.
Nah.
No, I'm talking about the engine. The
Oh.
engine was like lean on the Alpha. That one in the lead. It's decent.
Yeah.
It's a tomorrow tip, dog. Sean,
Yeah.
you gonna try to fuck with your shit tonight? Or tomorrow tip?
You got in the trunk?
That's what I was drilling.
So we trying to do?
This is an easy thing, yeah.
Hold the light for me.
I don't mind trying that shit.
Buy parts for your car yet?
Yeah. Airbag. Bought the airbag.
Find a new bumper?
Yeah, I don't know which bumper I want to go yet. I took the bumper off.
Like an M Sport.
MCS?
M Sport there, bro.
Yeah. You must just find some aftermarket one.
Let's see.
All them deer Nicky, man.
The aftermarket
Mine.
ones?
At least everything out here is good. Shit.
Oh shit. That's the grill me I broke up right up. Shit. It shouldn't be that bad. It's just getting this back straight in line with that. And then to
Oh, one
figure-
piece. This all come off.
This can come off.
Yeah,
you need
it's
that
all
piece
piece.
right there.
Only thing is this.
That's not
Only thing
shit.
that's not replaceable. Otherwise, I bought this. I bought that. Bought this. Bought that. Bought this. So it bend. I won't sit up. Can't bend like that.
You buy a fender?
Fender. No. That fix. That's my fix.
But intake, definitely gonna need that ASAP.
Yeah, you're gonna take. Vex dog. This one's $600.
Damn.
It's a good shit, bro.
You can feel it, yeah.
Yeah, but I got a good one. Half the price, but shit. Nah, Bird, I got a BMS one.
BMS?
Yeah, Virgin.
Broke up a grill to it.
What brand is this?
AFE. We Gucci, man. We Gucci. We'll make it work. We gonna bring this shit back to life, man. Just give me, come back in a week. It's gonna get a whole another car.
Say we?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You bought a carbon one? You gonna take off these?
What?
The other ones.
Now I'm gonna get all this shit painted black.
Talking about the side skirt. They're gonna keep that.
Yeah.
I like it.
The side skirts, you gonna keep it? Oh, he got the lip on the joint too. The lip still good?
This lip, though.
No, I don't know.
The lip gone.
Trash.
That's why I asked you about. So you bought a carbon one.
Let me show you the cart. I was waiting till the car came.
See the windshield.
Oh, this shit got the real trim. The real red trim. See that?
I bet
See,
you didn't even
don't
notice
have
this.
that.
Look.
You want to keep? The seats usually don't have the trim on the inside too.
Oh, the red trim?
It's different. They usually just have the stitching. This.
What's that?
What's that drop out right there?
What?
Oh, the airbag.
Yeah.
You took. What's up with the
Look in the glove
center
compartment.
console?
I'm gonna get the red seat belts. You said what?
What's up with the center console?
Oh, it looked like he had
They were trying to get into it.
Oh, he had a passenger in here then.
Yeah, definitely. That's why the bag was right here.
I was saying, look in here. These don't got nothing. Like that nigga was trying to pull up something.
When you connect the battery, it turns on. Well, not start, but everything turn on. Yo, the key was the wheel turning? Oh yeah. It's good, bro.
The wheels was rolling. You didn't like the front rolling?
They had the low front bumper.
Oh.
That man dropped the shit quick though. I don't like. That's crazy. I thought he was gonna go a little bit slower.
There's something stuck up here.
To be honest, the best he go fast than slow. But nah, I feel like when the windshield.
I don't know why that's open up here.
Shit, tomorrow just change out the radiator and see how that shit go.
This shit got a heads up display. Heads up display. Yo, that airbag is fucking powerful, dog. For it to bust and broke the windshield.
Yeah, but it shoots straight up. It don't do no adjusting. That shit shoots straight up. Yeah.
What's back here? What's the airbag? Something. Got a new one of those.
BMW finally fucking made where the center open. That bullshit. That's what I'm dealing with right now. Fucker. Yeah. Look how easy that is.
Your car don't have this, the passageway.
Nah. BMW fuckery, bro. Every car should have that. If you don't got the. Them niggas is.
Machine.
5 series. It's like that, so you can't go to the back.
Yo, you might, Lus, just replace his IG name with your shit.
I don't have IG, nigga.
Or something, nigga. Put your old IG, fuck that.
We need this. Cover for the home. What do you call it? Box? These box?
See that? Share an overview of the whip. See that? Yeah.
Yeah, Carter, this is the car I want you to cover.
So what?
This is the car I wanted him to put the cover on.
What do you mean the cover?
I got a car cover and I accidentally put the cover on the car the other day when they were supposed to drop it off.
Oh.
He came out here and put the cover on the Z. He didn't know the new car was coming.
Shit. You got anything to say about this, bro?
Man, this is about to be a project. It's probably the worst one yet. Yeah, but every car I've been getting, I've been buying more and more damage. Started off with the easy shits, and now he's going all out, you know? Turning our real mechanic.
Yeah, you gotta challenge yourself, bro.
Yeah, that's the fun part about it.
Challenge yourself. See that?
Yo, lock up the Mercedes. Oh, I have to bring it in the driveway.
Oh, I got the key. Yeah, I got you. Park it where? Yeah. See there. Gotta drive the Mercedes. Check out the Mercedes. Check out the Mercedes with the purple lights. You feel me? That shit nice. That shit nice. That shit nice. I got the Beamer at the house that I need to work on. Got the Beamer at the house I need to work on, and we gonna see. That's the key, right? I was gonna say you got the key.
Yeah, he got me a bootleg key, that's all I was saying.
You said the bootleg key.
Alright, let me show you. I did. I bought the red key first, and he said the red key can't work with that car. Something's in the way.
Yeah, close it.
I guess it's like
Yeah.
the New York ones are red.
You got the parts? We gotta see the parts, bro. Damn, what the fuck is going on there?
Oh, you got the Benz here?
Just give it to us. Alright. So these are all the parts that you ordered.
So work to do.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and I got a hood in the back. Hood is huge.
Well, let's check out the hood. Check out the hood. You didn't even open that one yet, did you? Dang. This is just the hood right here. This is like a crate, bro.
So you see what kind of hood it is.
Alright.
I forgot to redo that part, yeah, man. So.
Bustin' for a real nigga.
Beats production.
Alex, don't stop it. Bustin' for a real